Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. So I managed to get my patriotic decor down, and now I'm going to move on to bumblebees. So I have been searching YouTube to find different ways to make bumblebees. Now I want to give credit where credit is due. And this lady, her name is Lori Bly DIY. She has a YouTube channel. She made the cutest bumblebee. And I will put a picture of her channel, so please go check her out. If you're not subscribed, you will love her. I subscribe to her. And I just wanted to share her channel. Now, what she's done is she takes, I have 3 wooden hearts. These I purchased over at Michael's. I can't remember the exact price, but I'll try to get that up there for you. And she made a bumblebee with it by taking the heart. Now she painted hers, or she didn't paint it. She used fabric. It was a child costume over at the Dollar Tree. A bumblebee skirt, so cute. Using yellow, it was yellow and black striped. Now I don't have that, so I'll probably paint it. So I ended up getting a couple different shades of yellow, and these all came from Michael's. And I got a lighter yellow, and this is more like a golden yellow. And of course I need black. And I believe these were 99 cents. But I think you can get them cheaper at Walmart. I think they're 50 cents. And a white. So what she does is she takes her hearts. This is the body. And then she takes 2 other hearts. Oh, this is so cute. You have to check this out. And she used these as wings. And then I think she has a round. Mine is oval, but it'll work just as well. And she uses that as the head. Actually, the head goes under, and then the wings. And oh my goodness, it is the cutest thing I have seen. So it goes something like that. And then she also, from the Dollar Tree, she found the costume, the little girl bumblebee costume, the antenna. And she just took those and used up here. I don't have the costume. I might go and look at Dollar Tree. And then she took the little rounds and she glued them on here. So I'm going to attempt to make one of these. And I will take pictures along the way. I did get some sunflowers. Now my wreath, she put it on a wreath, and that's what I'm going to do. Of course, my wreath will look a little different than hers. And that's okay. So they had these on sale over at Michael's. I believe they were $2.99. They were $2.99 for a bush. So I got 2 of those. I probably won't need all of that. And then over at Walmart, I found all this adorable ribbon. And let's see, does it have the price on there? I don't know. I can't find it right now, but I will try to list it. So I got the black and white polka dot, the black and white striped, a yellow and white polka dot, a sunflower pattern, and just a solid golden yellow. No, it's not. It has like a little plaid. So I'm going to use these as my ribbons. Now she also used some other things, I don't know. Like I say, my wreath will not be exactly like hers, but mainly I went looking for ideas on how to make a bumblebee. So I'm going to get started on that, and I will show you along the way. So here I'm just going to mark my lines by this ruler, and believe it or not, this ruler belonged to my mother when she was in grade school. So I'm just going to measure up and draw. I'm not even going to measure. I'm just using this 1-inch wide ruler and just marking the lines. and I'm gonna start with painting black. And you know what? I'm just gonna do it by hand. And I thought of another way. You could always, if you don't really have a straight hand or don't want to paint, why couldn't you use ribbon, a yellow and a black ribbon, and just glue it on? I think that'd be real pretty. So this is how it came out. So here I'm just showing you, I did paint the sides too. And yeah, I think it came out good. It's not perfect, but you know what? The wings are gonna cover up a lot of my boo-boos, and I know it's gonna look pretty. So here I'm going to go ahead and paint the wings white. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to paint the head black. And after everything dries, I'm gonna go back and paint the back sides of the wings and the head. So now I'm going to put the little dots on the head using a brand new pencil, and I'm just dipping the eraser and some white paint and pushing fairly hard down, and that gives me my little dots. So I'm getting ready to assemble pretty soon. I've painted the back sides of everything, and I still want to add some little lines on the wings, and I'm going to be painting my little dots for the wings. Now she used 5 per wing. I think I'll only be using 3 per wing. My dots are a little large, so we're gonna start off with 3. I might use 5, we'll see. So I used a Sharpie pen and just made some dashes around the outsides of the wings just for a little more detail, and I went ahead and used 5 dots. So I ended up just putting a very simple bow, just a double bow on here because my ribbon was not wired. So I think this still looks pretty. I will definitely save my ribbon for another project. So now I do have to make a trip to the Dollar Tree to find the antenna, and I'm not so sure that I'm going to use deco mesh or just greenery yet. Now you can definitely make your own antenna, but I don't even have any black pipe cleaners, but you could use black pipe cleaners and a couple little pom-poms, and that would be adorable.